Well, found the black finish checking in. Standing in front of the bathroom area right now. I actually just sit the tub and the surrounding walls up to actually see how everything looks, and then I want to finish the sheetrock and the rest of the area where it had to be placed. The other one was actually, I don't know if it was a little longer or they just went that high. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to replace all of that and get it ready to install. So get everything worked over to where it needs to be. And then that way I can take it to the next stage. Can't lie, family. It's been very real down here the last few days. I'm tired. Mentally, emotionally, physically. Just a lot on my mind. Just dealing with the regular issues of life. Not necessarily the house. The house is kind of helping me work through it because, sometimes as you work and you do your work ethics, it tends to work out stress and work out issues as you face them, So the work is actually therapy. And, other than the BS you tend to face here and there, but it just amazes me sometimes how people can be so unreliable but want you to rely on them. It just blows my mind how someone wants you to treat them a certain way, but they won't treat you that way. And they honestly get upset or feel some type of way when you do your own thing and just say, forget it. I've been here doing my own thing. And I'm willing to network and pay people to help me. But, right now I got to do what I do. I have spent money and spend money. So certain things I have to fall back and say, hey, I got to learn how to do this. I got to do this, man. And it is what it is. I've been working on my floors, figuring that situation out, getting that situation lined out. I've been working on taking this out, but I got a lot of more extra stuff. I still got the vanity and stuff in here. And, it's just amazing how you get to start working on things. And then people really feel like, you got to hold a hand. If you say you down here networking, that's what you're doing. You down here networking. You trying to make some things happen, man. And that's what I've been doing since I've been here, man. Really trying to make some things happen. So I've been really, really, really networking. Trying to work on the house. Get it up and livable so that way we can have a nice homestead. So I got a few things that I've been working on. But you can only do what you can do. I'm only one person, family. And I ain't gonna lie. I can't tell you that I'm not tired. Can't tell you I'm not a little frustrated and irritated. But I'm doing what I can. I'm not going to allow the situations to just to keep me from making progress, because that's the main thing. Stagnancy is the enemy of progress and family. So regardless of what's going on, we got to make progress. We got to make progress. We know you're dealing with old things. We know you wish you can tear everything down and make new, but you have to use what you got. You have to make sense of the money you have. You have to be wise about it, man, because it's easy to spend it. Especially when you're networking and some people think that you just got it. You know what I mean? Like, they'll want to blow your money like they blow their money. You know what I mean? So it's just amazing to me, how people tend to expect things from you that they don't want you to expect from them. It just blows my mind. Today is just one of them days. Like I say, I'm just emotionally, mentally, physically, I'm tired. And I've just been trying to get a couple things lined out, so that way I can take things to the next stage. And it's been real, family. I can't even lie. Getting things lined out, getting the TV in. I'm actually playing some old Richard Pryor, something my mom used to like, And one of my wife's favorite movies she liked to watch, the Superman with Richard Pryor in it. And I'm just actually, man, just sitting right, just trying to figure everything out, man. I got so much going on. I got the shop in here. As you see, it is lined out. I got stuff everywhere. I got stuff everywhere. I'm trying to kill several birds in one stone right now. I'm just packing things, working, moving stuff, getting this ready, unorganize this, move that around. Oh, my goodness. It has been real. It has been real, man. It's so real. So my goal is to try to kill several birds in one stone. So I'm doing what I can right now. Just wanted to give y'all some updates. Hopefully I'll be migrating to a new area soon. I'm trying to get things lined out, as you see. Still got to get cabinets, family. I appliances. So any household warming gifts would be a blessing. Anybody want to look out, just want to say, I still got to get appliances, a washer, dryer, refrigerator, stove, cabinets. You see, I got my bathroom stuff. I just got to put it in. Still got to work on a couple things because got to Google a couple things and watch a couple videos and make sure I get this right. Or I might end up having somebody do the final last stages after I finish everything else. You know, I don't know how it's gonna work out, but I'm gonna be on it because I got to get it done, family. I got to get it done. So I appreciate all the support, man. But like I just wanted to say, man, we just have to stay focused, and regardless of what you're trying to do, if you don't do it, it's not gonna get done. You got to do it, family. You got to do it. So whatever it is you got on your mind, whatever it is on your agenda that you want to accomplish, if you don't do it, it's not going to get done. So it feels good to get these stages knocked out, man. You know what I mean? It's not a real big house, but it is a nice house. It's our house. You know what I mean? And I can't wait to get things lined out. I'm excited. So I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the love. I appreciate all those who've been following me and just leaving good uplifting comments. And even when I don't get an uplifting comment, a comment is still a comment. So I appreciate you for checking in. But today, these last few days, it has been challenging, family. It has been challenging. So I'm finna try to get a couple things done, man. I'm getting my mind together. I'm trying to refocus, regroup, and keep getting my hog on. Man, y'all be blessed out there, and I'll be coming back with more updates. Like I say, I don't have a lot of Wi-Fi around right now. My phone is acting up. It's just been frustrating. But I'm doing what it takes anyway because I got to make something happen. So I just want to say, man, that's what we have to do sometimes. We have to push, keep pushing. Even when you don't feel like it, you got to do it, man. So today, man, I'm just doing what I can. Like I say, I am a little frustrated, been having a lot on my plate, but I'm going to get it done. So I really do appreciate all the support. I really do appreciate all those, man, who really like what's going on. And like I say, my goal is to tackle this stage. This is the stage that's is very important because we got to clean ourselves and bathe ourselves. So any support, guidance, wisdom in this stage will be great. Like I say, the toilet and the vanity is coming out. We already got the other one, and we also, like I say, our goal is to try to get this summed up and get it knocked out. So got a lot on my plate right now, but I do like this tub setup. I really do. I got a good hookup. Thanks for using Facebook Market. I really found a good brother on there. So y'all, you never know. It's good to do good networking on there, man, because you always find deals. People got wholesale things. Network with your people. I can't stress that enough. So just wanted to say that, man. I'm going to let y'all go. Got a lot on my plate right now. A couple things I need to try to knock out. So I just want to give y'all some updates and let you know that I'm still getting my hog on regardless of all the odds. And that's what you have to do. Hog on.